Cam's father didn't come home for the new year. Cam's mother took the children to visit him. It turned out that Cam's father hadn't earned enough money and was too ashamed to come home for the new year. He was afraid his wife would think he was incompetent. His children would be angry with him for not buying them gifts, and his mother would criticize him for not trying to improve himself. The new year arrives on the crowded streets. Houses are brightly lit, laughter resounds. Cam's father stands amidst the wind and frost. His pockets are empty, his heart heavy with worries. A year of hard work and struggle. Sweat exchanged for days of worry, not enough money, no gifts. Dad bows his head, hiding his poverty. Dad fears coming home to sad eyes. Afraid Mom will think he's not a good person. Afraid the children will expect gifts for Tet, and then get angry when he comes home empty-handed. Dad Cam doesn't come home for Tet, not because he stopped loving, it's just because his heart is full of guilt. Afraid of making his children sad, Dad forgets that the most precious thing isn't gifts nor money.
Dad Cam didn't come home for Tet, not because he stopped loving me. It's just because he's burdened with guilt, afraid of making his children sad. He forgot that the most precious thing isn't gifts nor money. But when the family is still together, sitting together, warm and peaceful, Mom Cam took me out to the street. The wind was cold, but Mom's heart was warmer. Mom understood